one of the most insane concept cars ever made. And this one I have here is the 1:24 scale Lamborghini Terzo Millennio by Bburago. So let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the model itself, and I had bought this model from an Instagram page called life_1 and scale. So if you want to buy this or any other model, you can contact him. And talking about the model, as you can see, the exterior of this model is really great. It is very well detailed, and also some minute details are present on this model, just like this wheel design and the air vents. And talking about the interior detailing, yes, the interior detailing is also really nice. The attention to detail is really great. So yes, a big thumbs up to the detailing of the model. Now talking about the overall model, yes, the quality of the model is really great. The fit finish is also really nice, and it also feels really very premium in hand. So yes, a big thumbs up to the model, and I do recommend this model to everyone. So if you want to buy this, you can contact him. And if you have yet not followed me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram on _RPM_Redlines for daily updates. And let's get back to the video. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.